Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can you listen to music with one earphone? And yes, you can put one earbud to the charging case or remove only one from the case, then close the case and use the second one. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, then connected devices, oh sorry, not this phone. Just give me a second. Okay, so this one. We can go to the Bluetooth. Right here, as you can see, we have connection, but I use only one earbud. But you cannot use your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with the second device. You need to use both of your. You need to connect both of your earbuds with one device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!